Here.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the drummer's gonna start.
Get her down!
I was off out of my eyeball.
I know, my glasses.
Well, it's because over right above.
Ah, that's it.
Yep, smoke.
Yeah.
I'm watching the fish come along and show
I'm
me.
watching this
Oh, good. Oh, yeah. See, it's up there again. See, look. Oh, see?
Yep.
See, look. You can see the fish right there, right?
Don't you feel like I do?
Okay, then it's getting bitten.
Whoa!
Then it's getting bitten on the bum.
Get bit everywhere, even if I have clothes there.
It'll drill right through the...
Hey, Doug, look straight ahead. There's a fish or something big right in the
Yep.
water.
Probably big carp.
That's a big one,
Probably
too.
trout here too.
Mm.
Oh, I could have brought my fishing rod.
Ooh.
Yeah, perfect spot to fish, man.
You got a fishing license?
What, that right there?
Yeah, straight
Down
out.
at your races. Told you, daytime daddy. Daytime daddy is.
Are you sure it's not a turtle?
Oh, could be,
Turtle.
Snapping turtle, maybe.
You didn't say turtle right.
Doodle, 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 doodle,
Ready? Turtle.
Yeah.
Turtle.
God.
doodle, 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 doodle.
Oh, we're starting finally? Nope.
Hey,
Almost down.
continue.
Don't do that.
Almost.